Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Wyze Cam notifications to avoid false motion alerts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Wyze Cam notifications and avoid false motion alerts, start by opening the Wyze app on your smartphone. Log in with your account credentials if you aren't already logged in. On the home screen, find the camera for which you want to adjust the settings. Tap on the camera thumbnail to enter the camera's live view. In the top right corner, tap on the gear icon to access the camera settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Notifications. In this section, you will see various notification types. To enable motion alerts, toggle the switch for Detects Motion to the on position. Next, go to Event Recording in the Settings menu. Adjust the detection settings by selecting Record Events and make sure it is turned on. Now, return to the main settings menu and select Motion Detection. Here, you can set a detection zone to narrow. Draw a box around the area where you want the camera to detect motion. Avoid placing the detection zone in high traffic areas like streets or sidewalks. After you've set your detection zone, you can adjust the sensitivity level under Sensitivity. Set it to a lower level to reduce false. Once you've made all your changes, tap Save to apply the new settings. Finally, test the camera by walking in and out of the detection zone. Check if you receive notifications only for relevant motions. Adjust settings further if necessary, based on your test results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.